There are times when you have to change the WAC configuration. Let's say that when you first configured the WAC, it was set up for DHCP. There may be a time when you need to change it over to a static IP for your company LAN. To do that, you might have to access WACs that have been previously installed in ceilings. So that's the reason why I'm standing on the ladder now, so you can see how we may need to change the WAC configuration. So to open up the WAC and to change configuration, you need to do the following. One, take the face cover off the WAC. When the front cover is removed, you'll see that there are ports on the WAC. This particular WAC is powered off of a PoE splitter. So you'll have where the power is in and also where the data comes in. So what we need to do is first disconnect the WAC, so you pull out the power cable. Also, go ahead and pull out the Ethernet ported connection as well. And then what you want to do is you want to open up your laptop, and you'll need your Ethernet cable, and you want to connect into either port 1 or port 2. It does not matter which port you connect into. When you do that, you want to have the power back on. You want to have the power back on, and then you want to hold the A button down until you get into the configuration mode. Okay, I've held the A button on the WAC 60 for about 2 minutes. What you'll see when after that's been done is that you'll see a blinking light, a blinking amber light saying it's in configuration mode. From there, you want to go to your computer screen and you will type in the following address: 169.254.199.101. That will take you to the onboard web browser for the WAC. Once there, you may get a privacy. What you want to do is hit advanced, depending on what web browser you're using, and then go ahead and accept the credentials to move forward to the next stage. Once you're inside the WAC's web browser, you can go to the network interfaces to change it from DHCP to a static IP. To do that, you would hit network interfaces, and then you will go to edit the network interface. Your IP address can be supplied from your IT provider, or again, you can change it from a static IP back to a DHCP or vice versa. Once you have that done, what you want to do is save that and then reboot the WAC. The WAC reboot will take approximately 5 minutes. After that, your new WAC configuration for your network will be installed.